Jessie here from Tonkadale, and today we're learning how to plant Amaryllis bulbs and Paperwhite bulbs. Amaryllis bulbs bloom 6 to 8 weeks after planting and are usually grown for the holiday season. Paperwhite bulbs have a shorter bloom time and bloom after 3 to 4 weeks. Let's get started. Both types of bulbs can be planted in soil, pebbles, or water. If planting in water, it's super easy. I like to use this type of bulb vase. All you do is simply rest the bulb above the water, filled to just directly below the bulb. Same with Amaryllis, and it's really fun to watch those roots develop and grow down into the water. If you're planting in soil, make sure to choose a pot with drainage. I like terracotta pots because they just look really gardeny and potting shed. Use Espomas, all-purpose organic. First thing you do is just fill the container maybe about halfway. Nestle your bulb in. You should leave about 1/3 of the bulb exposed above the surface of the soil. Nestle it in. Backfill with soil. Super easy. Snug it in. Snuggy, 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 snuggy. There you go, super easy. At this point, I would take it to the sink and water it in well until water drains out the bottom of the pot. A signature look here at Tonkadale is to apply a top dressing of sheet moss all the way around the bulb. And then sprinkle some of these adorable hemlock cones on top of the moss. So stinking cute. Amaryllis bloom on long stalks. Big, huge flower heads that are so gorgeous. The bigger the bulb, the more bloom stalks you'll get. They will continue to bloom for about 4 weeks after that first initiation of stalks. They are so fun to watch and a great gift. Paperwhites can also be planted in soil, but I often plant them in pebbles. I'm going to use this really cute vintage container. When you're planting in pebbles, choose a watertight container such as this one. Fill about 3/4 of the way full with pebbles. I like to plant Paperwhites in groupings of 3 to 5. I think 3 will fit nicely in this container. Snug them in. Just the top portion of the bulb should show above the pebbles or the soil. And then we'll add that last bit of pebbles up to the top to snug them in tight. Super easy. All you have to do is water them in. You'll want the water level to be right at about the base of the bulb, and then you can change out that water about weekly so it doesn't get yucky. Amaryllis and Paperwhites are super easy to plant either in soil, pebbles, or water, and a great option for gift giving as we move into the holiday season. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at Tonkadale.